This is a 2008 Buick LaCrosse. It has a 3.8-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a navigation system, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 4-wheel independent suspension, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, traction control, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 44,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Lucas Motor Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at Route 130 in Burlington.